Hello guys, welcome to my this video. So our today's topic is Dailymotion. You know guys, Dailymotion is the biggest video sharing platform after YouTube. So guys, people were asking to me, we are uploading videos on Dailymotion, but ad is not coming on our video, and that's why we cannot generate revenue. So guys, today I will show you the live proof why ad is not coming on your video. So guys, first of all, here I will open my Dailymotion channel. So first of all, I have to be open Dailymotion's official site, that is dailymotion.com, and after that I will open my channel. So guys, before that, if you are not following me on Dailymotion, so you can follow me on Dailymotion. I newly created this channel. I upload different types of gaming video with funny commentary. So if you want to follow me, so I will provide the link on description, so then you can follow me on Dailymotion. And I have a separate another YouTube channel about this gaming, so you can follow me on that YouTube channel also. So now I will move to my main topic, why ad is not coming on our video. So this is my channel. Here, this you can follow me here, and I uploaded this type of gaming video in this channel, Dailymotion channel. So now you have to do one thing, just scroll down, and here you will find one option, that is help center. So you have to be click this help center option. And guys, another thing is, if you don't know about Dailymotion, what is Dailymotion, so you can comment in below. I will make a separate video about Dailymotion, how you can earn money by Dailymotion, because Dailymotion is the biggest platform for the video creators, and you can earn much money, like you can get $1 to $5 for 1000 views. So I will suggest you, if you don't have a Dailymotion account, so you create a Dailymotion account and upload your all videos on Dailymotion also, because you can generate much money by the Dailymotion, because Dailymotion provide $1 to $5 for 1000 views. So now after opening this, you have to be switch on English. Here it's default French language, so if you are comfortable in French, so you can leave it, otherwise just switch to English. So I will switch to English, and now close it. And after that, first of all, I will show you, if you want to do any query on Dailymotion, so how you can do that. Because first of all, I have submitted our query, and then I get the solution why ad is not coming. So here you have to be click this send a request option. So I will click this one, and I will show you how you can submit a query. And after that, you will find partners area, and I'm showing this one because if you face any kind of problem, then you can send us a query, and they give you the immediate reply. So that is the benefit of Dailymotion. So you can send that query this way. So that's why I'm showing, and after that I will show you the proof. So here you will find the partners area, so you have to be click that one, and now you will get a form, and here you have to fill up your query. So first of all, here you have to put your email. So what email address you can put here, anything, any email kind of email and address you can put here, like by which email address you can open your Dailymotion channel, that email address, otherwise you can put a defined email address also. And now select a request, which type of request you want, like if you want a question, a technical problem, a comment, an idea to share. So you select a question, because if you want to question, so then you can select this, otherwise you can choose another three option. And now you have to be here, you will get a option product consent. So click that one, and now you have to be select a related your question. So now our question was, why ad is not coming, so that is income related. So I selected income, your income related option there, that is. And now you have to be select here topic. So our topic was ad not showing, so I will write this one. And now you have to be fill the description, and now click the send button. So now I already sent this query and they send me a mail about this problem. So here after, if you want to send this type of query, so you can do that, and after sending that query you have to be click this. Here you will find your channel name, and after click this you have to be click this one, my activities. So in the my activities you will find how many queries you have submitted. So here you can see I have submitted this one query, that is ad is not showing. So I will open that one, and now you will get the proof why ad is not coming. So first of all, here I will show you that I have sent this one, that is, you can pause the video and read it what I have written in the description, which form I had shown you in before. So there I had written this query and they send me a mail back, and that is, hello Aniruddha, thank you for your message. So you can pause and read all the message what they send me back. But the main things I want to show you, that is here you can see, that is this: we have restricted the monetization for channels with under 10,000 overall views. That means guys, there are the criteria. If you did not cross 10,000 overall views, so then they will not provide ad on your video. So people are confused, people thinking that if they upload videos on Dailymotion, so immediately the ad will become, because in Dailymotion there are no criteria like YouTube. There are don't need to cross 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours watch time. But it's not, it's totally wrong. You can see the live proof. They send me a mail back, that is, you have to be complete 10,000 views. Again I will show you my mail. They send me a mail also, so I will open my mail. So it's opening, it will just take the time. So here you can see this one is, so that is, they send me that mail. So you can see this mail sent by Dailymotion, and you can see the mail address also. This is Dailymotion feedback, and here you can see that the same mail they send me in my mail. So here we have restricted with under 10,000 overall views. So guys, if you know, if after uploading videos on Dailymotion the ads will become immediately, so it's totally wrong. And the 10,000 overall view means, guys, I will show you that. So just you have to go to your channel. So I will open dailymotion.com and then I will open my channel. So here settings, your channel. So after opening your channel, so here you can see the total views. I open my channel, it's 3 days ago, so I get, you can see 43 views. So that is view. So when I will cross this view 10,000, so the ad will be comes on my video. So that is the criteria of Dailymotion. So hope guys this video is help to you, and if you want to get more this type of video, so you can subscribe and press the notification bell icon also. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, so you can follow me, because in the Instagram I also upload this type of gaming video. So hope guys you enjoyed on this video.